Welcome to our celebration of the work completed last year. Thank you for coming and taking the time to watch our short video presentation. We look forward to getting your input as we continue our work. In 2023, we brought data to the Council and other local organizations about the leading causes of death and other health issues in Quay County. We held focus groups and passed out short surveys to get community input about the most important health issues in Quay County. Mental health was identified as a top issue. Because mental health has many areas and we did not have much knowledge, our FY24 plan worked on learning more. This helped us to narrow the focus on an issue. We wanted to make a positive impact for the community. During FY24, we researched data, met with mental health providers, ran surveys, and visited with many local groups about what they felt had the most impacts on their mental health. Anxiety emerged as a key community focus. The year ended by hosting a studio session with local mental and physical health experts to talk more about the issue. Our main takeaway: anxiety is normal. It becomes a problem when it gets in the way of regular daily life. Our findings revealed anxiety stems from our care for things, societal pressures, and underdeveloped coping skills. The reality we faced is that for many in our community, the fear of judgment often prevents people from seeking help. And even when they do, it's a struggle to find what they need. So what can we do? Our experts highlighted the power of taking care of ourselves through movement and good food. They also pointed to the strength found in spiritual connection and the importance of reaching out to mental health professionals. And crucially, they reminded us of the impact we can have by helping others build their own inner strength. Our experts shared ideas for how we could tackle this as a community. The exciting part? Some of these are already taking shape. The Health Council has included them in their plans for next year, and other local groups are jumping in to help too. Like many of you, the Council noticed a dip in kindness after the pandemic, both online and in our daily lives. That's why they took action, researching and launching a special kindness campaign. We're now actively sharing what kindness truly means and how even small acts can create a ripple effect. Here's where it got really fun. We recruited secret ambassadors, everyday people on a mission to spot and reward kindness with special stickers. And their heartwarming stories? We turned them into inspiring flyers and videos to show just how contagious kindness can be. We used all of our digital media platforms to share about kindness and sold shirts. Have you seen our llama posts? The 2024 events were a blast. We taught the kids a super fun, kind dance. Think positive moves and happy vibes. We also teamed up with different school groups to spread the kindness message in a creative way. We wanted to see if our efforts were making a difference, so we ran the same survey a year later. The result? A fantastic 6% increase in perceived community kindness. What's even better is that more people now feel my community is kind, and they're connecting with each other more by speaking to folks they don't know. Building on our success, FY25 saw ongoing kindness activities, plus the launch of Quay Kind Days and a positive comment challenge. Imagine a daily dose of positivity. That's what our challenge was all about. A positive comment to yourself, a positive comment to someone else, every single day. And then, let's celebrate where we live with one positive community comment each week. We promoted the challenge across all of our digital media, with tips for how to flood social media with good vibes. Have you noticed a difference? We didn't just stay online, we had booths at community events to share all about kindness. Did you happen to see us at Dr. Seuss Day earlier this year in 2025? We had so much fun sharing about kindness with the kids. For this past year, our focus was really clear. We wanted to learn more about anxiety ourselves, and then share that knowledge with our community. Plus, we made sure to offer some great activities that could actually help people feel a little less anxious. When we surveyed our community about anxiety in August and September of last year, 2024, a striking 35% of people told us they know more than one person who often feels that unsettling fear, like something truly awful is about to happen. 51% of the respondents knows more than one person that becomes easily annoyed or irritable. 53% know more than one person that has trouble motivating themselves. 42% know more than one person that is so restless that they cannot sit still. 57% know more than one person that has trouble sleeping or relaxing. 55% know more than one person that seems to worry too much about many different things. 49% know more than one person that feels nervous, anxious, or on edge several days a week. 46% know more than one person who cannot stop worrying several days a week. Our annual fun run isn't just about getting active. It's a fantastic way to boost your mental health. Think fresh air, getting your body moving, and that amazing feeling of accomplishment when you cross that finish line. It's a win-win for your mind and body. We got everyone hopping for health. We gave out jump ropes at the county fair and fun run to make getting active fun and help boost those mental health vibes. And guess what? Our first ever jump rope challenge on February 1st was a hit. With 18 awesome participants, moms, dads, kids of all ages, all jumping in. To better serve our community, we have 2 contractors that are trained as QPR gatekeepers. This important training equips them to be a vital link for participants to have skills and resources to help people who might be struggling. Our Rockin' Walkin' event is like a mental health boost, wrapped in a fun community activity. You get to unleash your creativity with painting, feel good by volunteering, soak up the fresh air while you walk, and experience the thrill of finding a hidden treasure or winning a prize, all fantastic ways to chase away anxiety. Feeling a little stressed? We've got you covered with our new Anxiety Busters program. You can find tons of helpful tips to ease your worries in a downloadable handout on our Anxiety Busters webpage. And for a little hands-on relaxation, be sure to pick up your very own special Clay Play packet. It's a great way to unwind. Based on studio feedback, we're adding QR codes with Anxiety Busters to walking route signs. The webpage was Phase 1. Codes are coming soon. Our March for More Family Resource Fair on March 29th offered a wide array of resources for local families. We wanted to go beyond just the surface of anxiety, so we worked with facilitators from the Department of Health to conduct a root cause analysis, kind of like detectives trying to figure out the real reasons behind it all. These are some of the root causes of anxiety identified in our community: social media use, social norms, and lack of social support, county economic issues, lack of mental health access, and transportation challenges. Which of these areas do you think the Health Council could make the biggest difference? We want to hear your thoughts. We reach our community with anxiety education through a mix of social media, radio broadcasts, our podcast series, and video content. To better address stigma, our members were recently trained by the United Way of Eastern New Mexico in facilitating stigma conversations. We can't do it alone. Join us to share your experiences and ideas as we map out the next steps to reduce anxiety in our community.